Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. We'll start by taking a screenshot of the character's body sheet. Go to body and click on the hash. Now let's open a drawing app. We need to erase the background and set the body parts in layers because we cannot crop the pictures in Alight Motion. Don't forget to save them. Next we will open Alight Motion. Create a project and name it. Then import the body parts and name them to avoid confusion. I have imported all the body parts. This is how you should import a picture and name it. How to fix pivot points or fulcrum. At first, tap a layer and go to Move and Transform. Now tap Location and place a point. I'll start with adding bookmarks. There are 4 move or transform options. If you double tap the location button, you get the pivot point button. Then we will add keyframes. We should take care of the location of the hand. And here we are done. Thanks for watching, and please ask me if you have any questions regarding the following tutorial.